is going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. I wanted to do a quick little cute look. I have some looks that I'm going to be shooting today, and I said let me come on here real quick and just chit chat with you guys and see what's going on, see how you been. What's been going on with you? As you can see, I already started because at first I was just going to do this real fast, but I was like, no, I'm not going to do that. You feel what I'm saying? I'm going to do this with my boobs, okay? So with that being said, we gonna continue to jump right into this. What's been going on, boo? How you been? I've been doing really, really good. Staying very positive. You feel what I'm saying? Working hard. Doing everything I need to do for me. You know what I mean? The year is coming to a close, and it's still some things I want to accomplish before the year closes. And so I've been doing it. Doing everything I need to do. You know what I mean? And being patient. Patience is something that everybody needs, child. Because I need me some patience. But I've been being patient and things has been going good. Real quick, we're going to be jumping into the Stacey Marie palette, and I'm feeling like real colorful. You know, I'm just giving color. I'm just been in this mood of color, okay? So we are definitely going to be jumping into this blue, my favorite color, and it's called the D. So we just going to take that and we're going to put that on our outer corners or whatever. Next, we're going to be jumping into Pink Lily. I'm going to just take this and I'm going to just bring this out because I kind of want this to be the base a little bit. I really love this Pink Lily. And then you know you always got to tap back into that blue. You know, just giving that blend. You know, blending is very, very important. Okay? You see how that kind of like just give it like that? You know, you see it? Okay. And we're going to bring this blue a little bit in. Still flicking it. Oh, look at the thick of the wrist. Hey! So now we're going to top back into that lily. We're gonna just bring this. Ooh, yeah. You keep make that feel good. You make that feel good. Make that feel bad. You dig me? It's like, no, I play too much. So now we want to jump into this yellow. We're gonna bring that yellow in the crease, and then we're gonna just like bring it all out. I don't even know if you really can see it, but it's really giving this like a nice blend. Now since we have that down, we're going to jump into Latte. And I like Latte because Latte is like the color of my skin a little bit. So next we're going to be lining it with this P. Louise. This is Ecstasy, just a little smidgen, okay? All right, so now since we have that down, we need sparkle. Sparkle. So we're gonna jump into this rose pink. And I'm just gonna take that and touch that right all over top of the lid. I actually wanna do my brow bone. I wanna actually jump into Fortune. You're just gonna take that. See, ooh, look how I light that up. Light that up. That's how y'all doing it. That's how we doing it. We tell them that's how we doing it. All right, so now I'm gonna throw some mascara on my eyes. And now we're gonna jump really, really quick into face. And for face, I am going to keep it very, very simple because I am definitely in a rush. So we're gonna jump into Hello Hydration for the moisturizer. This is actually by e.l.f. Child. This is like my favorite, okay? I'm gonna rub this in really, really good. And for primer, we're going to be jumping into the matte primer. This is actually by e.l.f. I kind of want like a matte finish, especially since I'm going to be shooting. It kind of lasts longer when you're shooting, sweat proof. You know what I'm saying? Like, it'd be hot with all them lights all under you and whatever, you know? So I try to make sure I always keep it matte. So for foundation, we're going to be jumping into the LYS. This is like my favorite foundation for like anything. It's just like so good. And it's black owned. Okay, we do black owned, okay. And so yeah, we just gonna take this and we're gonna put this all over the face. Now we're gonna jump into concealer. So we're gonna jump into the e.l.f. Hello Hydration. This has been like the holy grail for my face. This is like my coverage. Some people, you know, they use like red or whatever like that. I necessarily don't do that. I kind of use like the same kind of complexion, or not the same kind of complexion, but kind of like a tad lighter to cover up my dark circles, because I really have dark circles under my eyes. Child, it's just crazy, you know? Next, we're going to be jumping into CoverGirl. This is the True Blend. I love putting this right under here, just like that. You don't need much. But let me put these on real quick. It is what it is. All right, so let me spray this down. And then let me just, and I like letting it dry down, because once you let it dry down just a little bit, it gives it like this really nice blend. You feel what I'm saying? But you see like how to just like blend it in? Like boom, don't play with me. Don't play, no, I'm playing too much. So now since I have that down, I'm gonna jump into some Beauty Bakery, and I'm gonna just tap this Beauty Bakery right under my eyes. I need it, yeah. ASAP, child, cause if not, creasing is like no game. And I kind of like leave some right here, cause like, you know, I crease real hard over here. And now since I have that down, I'm going to jump into this e.l.f. This is in the color Rich Ebony. And you know you gotta be quick with this, honey, because if not, it will look a hot mess. So I try to be quick as possible. But I like this color because it's like a bronzer, but it's still like a contour. So this is like one of my favorites or whatever like that. Okay, so now since I have that down, I'm gonna jump right into this Cocoa Naughty. All right, so now since I had it down, I'm gonna jump right here into lip. This is actually the Morphe Trendsetter. This is my favorite. I'm a real quick, cause before I forget, y'all. For some reason, I pays no attention to my under eyes. Like, I always forget to do under my eyes. And I'm like, girl, you is tripping, okay? Where's the under eye? So we're gonna take that blue and we're gonna line that right up just like this. And then we're going to take the lighter blue, and that's actually Lagoon. And we're just going to dust that right under. And then I'm going to jump into this Blank Canvas by P. Louise. And y'all know I'm addicted to my points, so let me put my points on real quick. Ooh, baby, I like it like that. Like, no, I play too much. Don't pay me no mind. Let's hurry up and take all this powder off the face, okay? Take this Fenty foundation powder. This is actually in the color 440. Take that all off. Blending is a must, okay? All right, boo, so real quick, I am back. I had to get dressed really quick. So we're gonna be jumping real quick in some setting spray, and I'm gonna spray this Luminous Morphe right on over, cause we need to jump into highlight, baby. So we're gonna be jumping into the Hot Girl Sunset. I love this Hot Girl Sunset, okay? I usually take this one and this bottom one, and I kinda like mix them. Ooh, look at that, okay? Stop playing. And then I just put a little bit in the middle. That's giving cute, right? So next we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty. This is the Cocoa Naughty. You know this is my blush. You know I feel like she made this just for me. And for lip, we're going to jump into the Sydney by Lime Crime. It's a little too dark. That's just a little too dark. We're going to jump into Clean Kisses by Crayon Case. See? So my boo, this is the final look. Giving blue, giving my favorite color. If you is feeling this look, boo, don't forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below. Also, my boo, if you haven't subscribed, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell button too, because you do not want to miss my upcoming video. Matter of fact, do it right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit it. So with that being said, boo, thank you so much for watching me and watching me grow. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.
This side, no red light on this side, on this side.